Welcome to this premium educational note. I'm stepping in today as your industry mentor, and honestly, I'm super excited to unpack something truly massive happening right now in technology. We're going to uncover exactly how a tiny, unassuming consumer desktop is completely disrupting the multi-billion-dollar AI hardware market. If you are looking to build, innovate, and really thrive in this incoming agent economy, well, you are exactly where you need to be.
So let's dive right into this burning question. Why on earth are top AI developers completely abandoning massive $10,000 PC rigs for a $799 Apple desktop? What we're witnessing here is a massive architectural shift. We're moving away from relying entirely on those massive cloud-based data centers and moving straight toward local, edge computing that can sit quietly right on your desk. This isn't just a hardware trend, it's a fundamental change in how we access and deploy AI for our businesses and daily workflows.
Think of this note as your masterclass blueprint. We're going to cover 1. The Mac Mini AI boom. 2. Meet the AI OS. 3. The unified memory advantage. 4. Deploying your background employee. And finally, number 5. Monetizing your AI knowledge. Section 1. The Mac Mini AI boom. The unexpected hardware champion of 2026.
6 weeks. Just let that sink in for a second. That number represents the recent wait time for a 24GB or 32GB Mac Mini. High-end AI developers and power users have been rushing to buy these things out of stock. Apple CEO Tim Cook literally had to highlight this unprecedented demand on a recent earnings call. The market has suddenly woken up and realized that this little machine is the ultimate quiet edge node for running local AI.
Section 2. Meet the AI OS. Perplexity's personal computer explained.
To truly grasp this opportunity, we really need to shift our mindset. We have to stop thinking of AI as just a simple conversational chatbot living in a browser tab and start employing it as a continuous background worker. Perplexity recently launched this concept called personal computer. It's an AI agent software that runs 24/7 directly on your local hardware. It securely accesses your local folders, it natively operates Mac apps like your Mail and Calendar, and it actually executes multi-step workflows. So the crucial takeaway here is that this software transforms your Mac Mini from just a static machine into an autonomous digital employee, an employee that's working for you even while you're asleep, securely combining the incredible power of cloud frontier models with your own local desktop environment. And this enables a completely modern workflow, specifically remote two-factor control right via your iPhone. Because it's an always-on agent, get this, you don't even need a monitor, keyboard, or mouse connected to your Mac Mini. You can trigger complex workflows, monitor automated tasks, and manage this digital employee securely from anywhere using just your phone. It effectively acts as a completely headless, persistent AI server.
Section 3. The unified memory advantage. Unlocking local LLM inference.
Okay, to understand why this specific hardware is totally dominating, we have to look under the hood at how it processes information, and frankly, why traditional PCs are falling so far behind. The secret sauce is all in the architecture. On a traditional PC setup, your CPU, RAM, and your GPU video RAM are physically separated from each other. So when you're running large models, your data is constantly being forced across this slow PCIe bus bottleneck. It's like a traffic jam. But with Apple Silicon, it's a whole different ballgame. You have one shared unified memory pool for the CPU, the GPU, and the highly efficient neural engine. There's literally zero data copying across a physical bus, which means massive AI models run blazing fast straight out of memory.
When you look at the cost-to-performance ratio, it honestly gives Apple an unfair advantage. A Mac Mini M4 Pro gives you 48GB of usable space to load massive AI models, and that'll run you around $2,000. To get anywhere near that kind of capability on a traditional PC rig, you'd need multiple high-end dedicated GPUs, you'd be dealing with capped VRAM, and you'd be spending upwards of $6,000 or more.
And then we have to talk about the power overhead. The M4 neural engine is 80 times more power efficient than a massive NVIDIA A100 data center card. 80 times! While a dual GPU PC rig might draw 600 watts of power and sound like a jet engine taking off in your office, the Mac Mini draws about 30 watts under heavy AI load and just 5 to 10 watts at idle. You are literally running a state-of-the-art background agent 24/7 for the electricity cost of a single light bulb. It's wild.
Section 4. Deploying your background employee. The Unix foundation for automation.
So why is deployment so smooth here? It all comes down to the operating system's roots. Because macOS complies with the POSIX standard, it literally has Unix right in its DNA. Your complex Python environments, your C++ toolchains, and Bash scripts, they just run natively out of the box. AI developers absolutely love this because there is none of the virtual machine compatibility friction you get when trying to run AI agents on Windows with WSL2. It provides an incredibly stable, native foundation for automation.
And setting up this edge server is so fast, we're talking less than an hour. Step 1. Just connect your Mac Mini to power and the internet. Step 2. Authenticate your Perplexity agent, or if you want total independence, load up open source models using a tool like Llama. Step 3. Walk away and simply assign 24/7 objectives right from your iPhone. Just like that, you've spun up a fully private AI assistant. And if you utilize those local models, you have zero ongoing API costs.
Section 5. Monetizing your AI knowledge. Building digital income in the agent economy.
All right, this is where it gets really exciting. With a local persistent AI agent, you aren't just saving time anymore, you are actively creating digital income streams. Think about it. You can automate deep, multi-step market research. You can deploy trading systems connected to natural language that rival a $30,000 a year institutional setup. You can build software prototypes in minutes, completely automate repetitive agency client workflows, and auto-draft highly researched investor emails. And the best part, because it runs locally, all your incredibly valuable first-party business data remains totally private to you.
I think this quote perfectly captures the paradigm shift we are living through right now. Perplexity's CEO Arvind Srinivas points out that a traditional operating system takes instructions, an AI operating system takes objectives. You no longer have to click every single button or write every single line of code yourself. You simply set the objective and your agent orchestrates the instructions. This major shift from instruction to objective is exactly why acquiring the right local hardware right now positions you so perfectly for the incoming agent economy.
So, we've broken down the unified memory advantage, the operating system shift, and the massive monetization potential sitting right in front of us. You now have the professional playbook to build, automate, and earn digital wealth with your knowledge. The only question left is, what objective will you give your new 24/7 digital employee today? Start building, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next note.